Installation and operation of desktop dual-source evaporation coating instrument. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. Connect the water pipe of the water cooler. Connect another. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the buckle. Connect the gas pipe. Tighten the screws. Use one wrench to hold and another to tighten. Connect the water cooler power supply and equipment power supply. Power on the device. Vacuum gauge power supply. Molecular pump power supply. Turn on the water cooler power. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Open the flap. Place evaporation source material. Close the flap. Installing the sample. Fix the sample. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to enter the operation interface. Turn on the vacuum pump to draw vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. Click to set the sample stage rotation. Setting the speed. For example, 10. For example, forward. Click to return. Rotating. When the vacuum reaches a body part, open the gas valve. Insert gas. Clean for about 3分钟 use. Close the gas valve. The vacuum value is now below 20 pa. Start the molecular pump. When the vacuum value is less than 1 pa, check the vacuum value at this position. When the vacuum value reaches the required conditions, coating begins. Now it is manual mode. Click to set the evaporation time. For example, 100. Click to start evaporation. Rotate the knob to adjust the current. Adjust to the right size. Open the evaporation source baffle and start coating. Cavity glow can be observed. Now operate in constant current mode. Click to switch constant current mode. Set the current. For example, 40. Setting the time. For example, 100. Click to start evaporation. The current will rise to 40 and remain constant. After the coating time is over, evaporation will stop automatically. Then turn off the sample stage rotation. Turn off the molecular pump. Observe the frequency change of molecular pump. When it drops to 0, turn off the vacuum pump. Open the vent valve. When the vacuum reaches the atmospheric pressure of 10,000 Pa, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.